Hello modelers, welcome to the last part of my Supermarine Spitfire Mk.Vb build. As we had a decent amount of work to do before the final reveal, let's just swing over to the bench. Here you can see the mold made out of plaster to vacuum form the canopy. Finish that, you pull out the mold and cut out the canopy. Now you can cut out all the small parts, paint the edges and glue them on the canopy. We add the two Hispano guns and the reflex sight before we go on to the prop section. In this last building group, we first show how the prop plates are made, then we show the making of the casings, and finally the cone. These were the last parts we needed to finish our Supermarine Spitfire Mk.Vb build. Okay guys, before the final reveal, I want to say thank you for watching, see you next time, bye bye.